Nashville Speedway. There's a drag strip.
I'm unprepared.
This is the daddy right here.
I'm the peppy.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Boy. 100% boy.
What makes you say that?
I don't know. Gut feeling. My
Gut
gut's
feeling?
right 100% of the time.
What does Terry's mom think it's gonna be?
I'm Nana. I think you're gonna be a boy.
Yeah.
Marissa?
I'm your mama. No.
Come on.
I'm your mom. I think you're gonna be a boy or a girl.
What? You got big boy.
What?
You're gonna be a girl. I had a dream.
Okay.
What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be a boy.
A boy?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
That's because that's what I want it to be.
I started to get like a
Max, what do you think it's gonna be, Max? Okay. What do you think it's gonna be?
Boy.
A boy? Here, Mom. What do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know. Shim.
A shim?
Mom knows.
I have no idea.
My mom does know.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Girl.
A girl? What makes
Yep.
you say girl?
I just do.
You just do?
Just do.
You got that gut feeling?
Yep.
I feel it.
Everybody wants a boy. I'm with a girl. Hard to
It's a girl. I'm sorry, I'm asking everybody. I'm Constantine, Marissa's brother.
Oh, hey.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Girl.
Girl? What makes you say girl?
I'm just taking a girl.
Okay. We'll find out.
Come on.
Hey, bro. You go up.
Straight in his face, bro.
You go up. Better not be a little bitch.
Are you boy or girl? You boy or girl? Who are you? Who are you to the kids?
Oh, bro. You know.
Okay, this your Uncle Julio, and he thinks you're gonna be a tranny when you're older.
Hey, I think it's gonna be a girl. Already.
Okay, what's your name? What's your relation?
Auntie.
Think I'm fat and you
I don't want to introduce myself, but
Oh, this is like the Michelle Goodman.
I think it's gonna be a boy.
That's not what I think.
What do you think it's gonna be?
A girl. I already told them.
Oh, well, okay. Well,
Thank you.
2 out of 3, huh? I'll be back. Well, hello, happy people. So what do y'all think Marissa's having?
I want to say a girl, but I feel like it could be a boy.
No, you only get one pick.
2 for 2.
2 for 2.
2 for 2.
Boy?
Team boy.
What do you think she's having?
You got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Team boy.
A boy. Okay, okay.
You gonna be the third person to
Hello.
What do you think she's having?
She's gonna have a legend. Oh, was it not recording?
Yeah, you're being
I'm
recorded.
gonna go with a princess.
Okay, okay. And you've been asked how many times?
ask. 3,
And each time was?
boy.
Okay, okay. Where's
So I'm
Daniel
pretty
at?
confident.
I hope so.
Danielle!
Rent a child.
Huh?
I said I want my rent a child.
A rent-a-child. Adam. What do you think Marissa's having?
Who would like
Girl. Now, dude.
Okay. Okay.
Nope.
What do y'all think Marissa's having?
A boy. A boy.
Boy, y'all are okay, okay, okay. Danielle? Daniel? What do you think Marissa's having? Boy? Is that boy?
Yeah.
Oh, what's a girl? Ah.
What do you think it's gonna be? Hurry up.
I don't know.
Say something. Boy or girl?
Girl.
Okay, what do you think it's gonna
Team girl.
be? That's, bro, that's not. Anyways. What do you think it's gonna be?
Boy.
It's gonna be a boy.
Boy?
What do you think?
Sham.
A few moments later.
Girl.
go? Okay. Have fun.
Cali Kush, pase blanc, Cali Kush, quiero fumar. Cali Kush, dime na, 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 na. No to that name, no to the myth. In my bag, I am the Balenciaga sponsorship. We smoking blunts, don't pass no clip. My head's in the clouds, can you bring me back down to where I need? Girl, don't trip, take a hit, take a flight to.
I'm about to be black as hell.
What's inside the balloon, Mom?
Color.
You'll see.
What?
Be a bunch of like sperm.
Everybody, look, all these people right here. This is for the kid when they get older, you know what I'm saying? Look, everybody. Everybody for the kid when they get older. Oh my gosh, look at the dogs. Emma, you are so beautiful.
How you feeling, Dad? I feel dead. I'm scared, man. I'm scared.
How you feel, Mom?
Hey, Cooper! Fucking get your car!
No, it's not. You're right. James, how do you feel, man?
Great, man.
You're wrong. You're wrong. How does it feel to be wrong?
How does it feel to be wrong?
Yeah, you said boy, right?
You said girl.
You said boy. Oh, how does it feel to be wrong?
How do y'all feel that it's gonna be a girl dog? I mean, girl baby, huh?
I would say girl dog.
Girl dog.
Look, there's Marissa's pregnant ass.
You want to play chess?
Sorry. This is exciting.
Authentical. Sir.
What's up?
Hey, what did you just say? Power? Oh.
It's like this one.
La Valiente, La Corona, El Pájaro, El Nopal. You got it. It's a day.
This is Mr. and Mrs. Claus.